So good morning everyone. Good morning ma'am. We are the group 4. I am Ms. Nicole Sanchez Ocampo.
Maria Joana Ilanio, Isa Jane Nadala, Monica Ilan, this is James C. Cortez, Cel Cabrera, Rosie Cordova, this is Jane Ilanio, Hazel Angel Dixon.
And our topic is fish and shellfish. According to Gordon Ramsay, cooking fish is so much useful than cooking protein meals because there are no temperatures in the video where well done cooking a stunning bass or a scallop. So the key terms is best in place refers to pre-preparation and vertebrates are animals without a backbone or bony skeleton. They range in size from microscopic mites to almost invisible flies to giant squid with summer bone-sized eyes. This is by far the largest group in the animal
that can produce pearl they are also eaten raw or cooked. Ang cephalopods, mga siya ang malas with no upper shell and tentacles, they are intelligent sea animals. And ang octopus, cephalopod with 3 arms and a soft body, it can squirt clean to escape sa predators. And ang squid is a cephalopod with a long body and 10 arms. It is fast moving and often with dishes like calamaris.
Crustaceans. Crustaceans are shellfish that have harder shells than that of a mollusk. Crustaceans include lobster, crab, and shrimp. Crab, king crabs, blue crabs, spider crabs, stone crabs, lobster, Maine lobster, spiny lobster, sleeper lobster, and knuckle sea. So first is the lobster. Lobsters are mollusk-crustacean decapod crustaceans of the family Nephropidae, or its synonym Hominidae. They have long bodies with muscular gills and live in crevices or burrows on the sea floor. They use their 5 pairs of legs as claw, including the first pair, which are usually much larger than others. Next are crabs. Crabs are decapod crustaceans with brachiosaurs typically have a very short projected tail. Their life are donated entirely under the aura. Their exoskeleton is complicated and hard. Next are shrimp. Shrimps are carved by a semi-transparent body flattened from side to side and flexible items in a fan-like shape. So the king crabs. Next are king crabs. King crabs or stone crabs are marine decapod crustaceans of the family Lithopidae that are found chiefly in deep waters and are adapted to cold environments. Next are spider crabs. The Japanese giant spider crab is a species of marine crab and is the largest crab found in the waters around Japan. At around 3.65 meters, it has the largest lifespan of any arthropod. The Japanese name for this species is Takahashi gani, literally translated to small living crab. Next are the blue crabs. Commonly known as the blue crab, Atlantic blue crab, or originally the Maryland blue crab, is a species of crab native to the waters of the western Atlantic Ocean in the Gulf of Mexico and introduced internationally. Next are the spiny lobsters. So they are basically the same as the lobsters but have a different body structure. The sleepers lobster are a family of about 90 species of acyllate crustaceans in the decapod named Rickettsia, found in all warm oceans and seas. They are not true lobsters but are more closely related to spiny lobsters and furry lobsters. Next is the langoustine, also known as the Norway lobster or Dublin Bay prawn. It's a small coral-colored crustacean from the lobster family that lives in the North Atlantic. Northeast Atlantic. It is a high-value shellfish with a sweet taste often confused with prawns or smaller lobsters, and instead is common menu item referred to as scampi.
Selection of fish is the factor between selecting fish from that of Finfish can be purchased fresh or frozen, canned, cooked, packaged, or fish raw. Then, fresh and frozen fish can be purchased fresh or frozen as frozen. So, if mag-select and palit na ang fish, dapat fresh, then so fresh or if frozen, if fresh na fish, then kung makabalo daw sa fresh ba siya if sigama siya?
Sigama na ba Dili ko. Sana na namatay. Lahat, bakit namatay kasi yung
Yeah, right yung eyes then.
ano noon. Hindi ka na sila. Sigaw lang ang binti. Yamasang.
Yamasang Red.
Then, so, ang fish, gani na siya. Dapat whole fish or prawn. Then, the rest of fish, sweet, pet,
Elaine.
then fish, sweet. So, ang whole itong entire fish. Then, ang rest ay brown fish kay kuan. Kuan siya og lamang loob. Then, ang breast fish, yung kuan siya og imbis. Ang steak, kaya na iwan siya o ikat na siya sa slice na ito. Ang different slice siya. Then, ang fish steak, ang pagkat nimo is uniform, parang pareha lang sila o size.
Determining pregnancy rate. Meaning for our woman is one of the babies has a clear method of determining whether or not the fish is bred. So, if malit ang isda, hindi na ito siya kalimutan para malubawan na ito bago pa ba na isda or
Daan.
tindahan na ba siya.
Ginawag.
Bright and shiny as the eyes of the So, kung balit ang isda, hindi na ko lang tawag ng iyang mata. Pula na dati, may handa bukong katulad ka, sa kwan na pag-irig. At may body of the bird yung saliting. Because an indication that it is still and warm or sweet. Natay may angin ang isda is kuan siya bago pa siya transfer pa pa. If kuan in night skills wala siya ng lusot pa ang lusot. Then ang first is guys kuan likod pa ang unod. Then ang kanang kay wala pa ang asa. Then, really or